Ramadan Kareem, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine. So today we are going to do revision. Take your science learner's book and open page 68. Page 68, learner's book. We are going to check our progress together. Okay? Everything here is just revision from forces and movement. Push, pull, force meter, Newton, everything. We had already done it. So let's check our progress. Look at this picture. Here is a ball bouncing towards Camille. So question A, how can she stop it? How can she stop it? How can she stop the ball? She can stop the ball by catching it. By catching it. So easy. B, how can she change the ball's direction? How can she change the ball direction? Every time at home or at school when you are playing with the ball, how do you change the direction? You always change the direction by pushing it to another direction, right? And that is your answer. Easy. Question number 2. Which force meter is measuring the greatest force? Which force meter is measuring the greatest force? So look at this force meter. A is 5 Newton, B 10 Newton, C is 20 Newton. So which one is measuring the greatest force? We have to follow instruction. A, B, or C? Huh? The answer is C, because it is 20 Newton, which is the greatest force. Let's continue to page 69. Open your book on page 69. Page 69, are you there? Okay. Now, let's read the question. Say, Alex tested the force needed to pull his skateball over different surfaces. Here are the results. Let's check the result. We have wood, the surface. We have grass, and we have stone. So question A, we need to know this type of surface, and this one is force in Newton, right? So force in Newton, and this is type of surface. So which surface are the hardest to pull the skateboard on? Look at this surface. Which one is the hardest? Huh? Which one? The hardest surface is grass, because it is difficult to pull. Look, it's the hardest. So, question B. Which surface was the easiest to pull the skateboard on? Which surface was the easiest to pull it on? It is where? Look at the picture and tell me. It is stone. Stone. It's the easiest. Alright, let's check number 4. Which surface creates the most friction with a skateboard? Which surface creates the most friction with a skateboard? Which one? It is grass. And I ask you, explain your answer. Explain your answer. This is because it requires more force to pull a skateboard over grass than the other surface, which suggests that grass creates the most friction. Are we together? Are we together? All right. Let's continue to the next question. I think we had finished our work. So what you're going to do for me, please open your activity book on page 38. Open your activity book on page 38. They ask you match each word to its meaning. Look at the words and match it with the meaning. We had done it so easy. You'll finish even within seconds. All right? So do revision and have a lovely day. Happy Ramadan Kareem. Bye.